Hello and welcome to another Ask BHS. I'm Chuck Ray and joining me today is Ken Swihart, Aftermarket Support Manager.
Thanks for having me, Chuck.
I got an idea. Let's talk about spare parts today.
Spare parts are a very important topic. Regardless how well our machines are made, they are mechanical machines, and mechanical machines eventually, whether it be 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, something will eventually break. So when that happens, to avoid downtime, to avoid the cost of overnight shipping of heavy parts, having spare parts on hand would be the ideal situation.
Minimize downtime, that ugly word.
Very ugly.
So I see that we've got some publications available.
We do. We've got a tech tip regarding the spare parts kits. We have spare parts kits where we have chosen the parts we would recommend to have on hand, things that will, like I say, eventually fail, and things that would cause downtime because there's no way to run the machine without them, bypass them, work around not having them available to the machine.
What machines in the BHS product line do we provide these spare parts kits for?
The spare parts kits are primarily available for the man-on-board battery extractor units. They are the largest, most critical machines. We do have spare parts available, for all of our equipment. You can order any part you want to have on hand at your facility to make repairs quick and easy. The most important, in my opinion, would be the drive wheel assembly. If the wheel breaks, if the motor fails, if key stock breaks, versus having to take that unit off, even if you had the parts to repair it, you're looking at a couple, 3 hours to take the wheel off, get it on a bench, take it apart, put it back together. Where if you have a drive wheel assembly on hand, it's 4 bolts, 2 hoses, slide it out, slide a new one in, then you can rebuild the other one to put it back into the inventory for stock.
So what if they've got more questions, Ken? How do they get hold of you?
They can get a hold of us at 877-247-4968, BHS4U. They can chat with us online at our BHS1.com website or via the Optima app, or they can email us at service@bhs1.com.
Thanks for all that great information, Ken. Stay tuned, we've got more coming your way.